has made headlines by dropping its plans to buy American F-16 fighter jets and instead choosing Sweden's Gripen EF jets as the cornerstone of its Air Force modernization program, a move with big political and strategic implications. Let's break down what happened, why it matters, and what it says about the current global landscape. Just last week, Thailand's government put the final stamp on a deal to buy 4 state-of-the-art Swedish Gripen EF jets, part of larger plan to eventually bring in 12 of these advanced fighters. The deal, worth nearly $600 million, comes after months of tense border clashes with Cambodia, where Thailand's existing fleet of F-16s and older Gripens were pushed into live combat. This deadly conflict showed that Thailand needed to update its air force quickly, not just for prestige, but to defend its territory. For months, Thai Air Force officials compared the latest F-16 V Block 70 from the US with the Sweden's Gripen EF. While both jets offered cutting-edge technology, Thailand's committee leaned towards the Gripen package. Sweden offered better long-term support, easier integration with Thailand's 11 existing Gripens, and a more cost-effective deal, including missiles and upgrades for early warning aircraft. Sweden's government was also quick to reassure Bangkok that the deal was on track despite diplomatic skirmishes in the region. This decision sends a strong message. Thailand is diversifying its strategic partnerships and not just relying on American defense technology. The US F-16s have been the backbone of the Thai Air Force since the 1980s, but the times are changing. By opting for Sweden, Thailand gains political flexibility, avoids being caught in US global power games, and upgrades its defense with a tech that matches their needs. So what's the impact? Thailand's move could inspire other Asian nations to rethink their own ties with America, especially as global politics shift and countries look for more options. For Washington, this is a signal that alliances can't be taken for granted and that countries want weapons and diplomacy tailored to their interests, not just what's offered. All in all, Thailand cancelled the high-profile US F-16 deal and buys Swedish Gripen EF jets for its future fleet. This boosts Thailand's air defense, fits better with its current aircraft, and marks a new era of strategic independence. The decision is a diplomatic and defense milestone for Sweden and a wake-up call for the US to pay attention to Asian partners changing their priorities. That's how Thailand's Air Force upgrade became a global headline, rewriting the script for military partnerships and showing the world the real power of choice.